Hello and welcome. This is the beginner's guide to ArcGIS software. This tutorial will be arranged into a series of tutorials from beginning to end. So in this particular tutorial today, we will see the interface of ArcGIS or ArcMap 10.4. If you have another version of ArcGIS software, don't worry, because the interface of ArcGIS software is quite the same. ArcGIS is the product of Esri. It is composed of four main parts, as you can see here. So the first part is ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcScene, and ArcGlobe. ArcMap is mainly used to perform the almost all ArcGIS software activities. It is an ArcGIS component on which most of ArcGIS activities are performed. It also incorporates ArcCatalog and ArcToolbox, which are the two important tools in ArcGIS. The second one is ArcCatalog, and it is mainly used to organize and manage ArcGIS databases. The third one, ArcScene, is used to visualize GIS datasets in 3D. And the fourth one, ArcGlobe, is used to view GIS datasets in a globe surface. To start with ArcMap, first we have to have ArcGIS software installed on our PC. So once we have ArcGIS installed, we can open it by searching from start menu here, ArcMap. It comes by default after typing ARC, or you can open it from the taskbar if we already pinned it to the taskbar. We will get an interface which looks like this one by default, and so here we have table of contents, and search windows on the right hand corner here by default. And if this window didn't come by default, or you suddenly cancel it while working, you can simply get it here from Windows. Then click on table of contents. You can get table of contents here. Okay, now let's see the different toolbars we are going to use in the upcoming tutorial series. Over here are some of ArcGIS toolbars, and as you move your mouse cursor over here, over the four dots over here, you will see the mouse cursor changes into some cross-like feature. So you can hold and drag this tool to the place of your convenience and see the tools which are consisted in this tools toolbar. The tools like zoom in. By the way, to see or to know the function of each and every toolbar in this tools toolbar, you can place, or you can simply place your mouse cursor over the tool you want. You do not click, you simply place the mouse cursor over the tool you want, and you can get the brief description about that tool. For example, here zoom in is zoom in by clicking once or dragging a box on the map. Here this one is zoom out by clicking once or dragging a box on the map. So this listed over here are the tools under tools toolbar. Okay, and we can hold and drag back into its original position. Another toolbar here is the standard toolbar. Standard toolbar also consists of these tools. Okay, to start, this one is new, this one open, save, print, and these features or these tools are not active because we didn't add any GIS data yet. We haven't had any GIS data yet, but after adding, once we add the GIS data set, they become active. Add data, it is the tool through which we can add any GIS data or raster data. You can add it any data through this toolbar, and by clicking over it, you can see, you can go to the location of your file to be added and click on the file you want to add and click on add. Immediately after you click add, your data will be appeared over here, over this workspace. Another toolbar, editor toolbar, table of contents. If you suddenly cancel this one, you can get it from standard toolbars here. And again, the very important toolbar, catalog, the toolbar by which you can create your own database and manage it, or you may also want to connect your database to GIS servers through this. Another one is also search, which I have got by default here. Search, it's also here, it is under standard toolbar. For example, if we search for geoprocessing tools, which is called clip here, we can get it simply here. This one helps if you don't know where a certain tool is found. So if you don't know where to get a certain tool, you can search here with the function of search tool. Here is Arc Toolbox, the main component of ArcMap software. Arc Toolbox, it is the toolbox on which we perform different GIS analysis. If you click over it, for example, you will get different GIS analysis tools or geoprocessing tools. For example, you can get 3D analysis tools, cartography tools, conversion tools. Any tools you want is found under Arc Toolbox. For example, the tool we previously searched for, clip, is found under analysis tools, extract clip, okay, is found under here. So it is very important and crucial in ArcMap software. Another one is Python. Python is a programming language which is added as an extension to ArcMap here. And here you write a code, and using that code you perform geoprocessing activities. The other one is Model Builder. So here standard toolbar is very rich in toolbars, different, very rich, and its content consists very helpful tools in ArcGIS. So let's dragging back into its previous position. Let's see for another toolbar. This one is editor toolbar. It's better to see this editor toolbar after adding some sort of GIS data. So another way to get the toolbar we want is right click over here, and you can get different tool bars in GIS which are very helpful in GIS. So here the one with Those with tick marks are the toolbars which are currently active over here, which are currently added over here, are ticked here. We can untick it or we can deselect it to make it disappear from the toolbar. For example, standard, if you untick this here, then standard toolbar disappears. And by right clicking again, we can select for the tool we want to appear over our toolbar section. And for example, if we currently need a toolbar which is called draw to work with now, we can click over it and we can get it by clicking, and we will drag and reposition it as we went. Okay, here drawing toolbar comes again. To get standard toolbar back into this position again, standard, we'll search for standard toolbar, we will click over it, and the standard toolbar is back here. So this is all I have for you today, and in the next tutorial we will see how to work with GIS data sets, GIS datas. It may be either vector or raster. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe before leaving this channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.